Hi children, welcome once again. Myself I am Juluri Purushottam Gaud, School Assistant Mathematics, ZPHS Saler, Mandal Nelikudru, District Mahabad. Children, today we are going to discuss about exercise 4.1, second bit, question number C. Okay, how? Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. Okay, now we are going to do this 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. This system of pair of linear equations, we have solved the values of variables. How to solve? We have some methods are there. One is graphically method and substitution method. Next one is um, elimination method. Among these three, today we are going to discuss about the graphical method. Okay, Nana? I am taking as C question.
Okay, children, here 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. This is we have to convert like this. Here 2 and 3 means we get 6 is the LCM. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9x. 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10y. And the 6 shift this side, 6 7s are 42. And 9x minus 10y is equal to 12 as it is you write it. First of all, this pair of linear equation into variables, these two are consistent equations or inconsistent equations. We have to justify whether they are consistent or inconsistent. How? Means we have to take as a1 by a2 is equal to, what is that a1 by a2? 9 by 9. That is equal to, we get 1. And next b1 by b2. That equal to 10 by minus 10, we get minus 1. So what happens children here? a1 by a2 is equal to, we got 1. b1 by b2 is equal to, we got minus 1. So that we understand that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the given equations are consistent equations. The given equations are consistent. What is the meaning of consistent? Because we get on solutions. How many solutions we get? We get only unique solution. Okay, children. Right. You have to take the first equation here. That is 9x plus 10y is equal to 42. This is our first equation. This you have to convert to make y is the subject. When y is the subject, means 9x shift to that side will become as minus 9x, and already plus 42 is there right side only, by a 10. The coefficient of y is 10. That 10 shift this side, it's become by 10. And you find out some ordered pairs, means some coordinate points. How means C1s. Children, you take as that given equation is 9x plus 10y is equal to 42. And I'm going to take as this is if it is x value, and take my subject y is here we written as minus 9x plus 42 by 10. Okay. If you substitute any value, we get y means that is x comma y, one of the ordered pair. First I am taking x is equal to example 0. If I take 0, we have to substitute at the place of x is equal to 0, means minus 9 of x 0 plus 42 by 10. Then what we get, Nana? Here minus 9 into 0, 0. So we get 42 by 10. That means 4.2. So we can write as 0 comma 4.2. We substitute 0 at the place of x. We get y. We got y value is 4.2. Next, take as x is equal to any possibility values. Better to substitute it. Nana. Possibility meaning is you have to substitute any value. At least you have to find two values. enough for this pair of linear equation, two variables. But the two value better decimal, getting decimal means better to take as another number, we get proper easy answer, that is y is equal to minus 9 of minus 2 plus 42 by 10. So we have to get 9 to the minus 8 plus 18, 18 plus 42, it's become as 60, 60 by 10, that is equal to 6. So if we substituted minus 2, we got 6. Clear now? Right. Then what should we do next? Substitute. Instead of substitute, plot the points. Zero comma 4.2 and minus 2 comma 6 in a graph sheet. And join the points. To get a straight line, because it is linear equation, that's why we get always straight line only. Have you understand now? First equation is finished. Go for the second equation. Okay, the second equation is 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. So here also we have to take subject is minus 10y. Okay, minus 10y is equal to plus 9x, shift that side, minus 9x, already plus 12 is there. And if we delete this symbol, here symbols will be changed. That means y is equal to plus 9x and this is minus 12 by this 10. Now listen carefully here. When I deleted this minus, or you multiply both side minus, then symbols, all symbols will be changed. And product this 10 into y is there, the 10 shift this side, it's become by 10. Okay, now children, here we can write as that equation 9x minus 10y is equal to 12, and I am taking for the x value and y subjected, that is 9x minus 12 is by 10. This is x comma y. Okay, now I am going to take first example, x is equal to, first I am taking 0 nana. When I am taking here x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 9 into 0 minus 12 by 10. So what we get, minus 12 by 10, nothing but it is minus 1.2, means we x is equal to, we taken 0, we got minus 1.2. Is it clear for all? Right. Now I am going to take example minus 2. You have to take 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, any, at least you have to find any two values. So y is equal to again 9 into minus 2 and minus 12 by 10. So better what we get, 9 to the 18, minus 18 minus 12, minus 18 minus 12 minus 30 by 10. So what we get Nana here, minus 3. We substituted minus 2, we got minus 3. Again you write here, plot the points. What are that points? 0 comma minus 1.2 and minus 2 comma minus 3 in a graph sheet, and join the points. Join the points to get a straight line. Which intersects first line at, okay, when we get that answer after completion of graph. Okay, first next we are going to do the graph work. Okay sir, in the middle line I am drawing as at the center I am drawing one line, that is y-axis. We take it as y-axis, and that horizontal line, this horizontal line we treated as the x-axis. Okay, is it clear? This is we treated as x-axis, and this is x dash. This is y-axis and y dash. Right. And take as here first right side bottom, you have to write scale. That scale, what I am taking, I am going to take first, this is when two lines are intersecting at one point, that point we take as 0, 0, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a positive direction. The negative x-axis this is. Okay, take as like this. Okay, and take on y-axis also positive y-axis this is. Okay, and this is negative y-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, now on the scale you have to write on x-axis, this x-axis, every 1 centimeter, we took only one only, that's why 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We took 1 unit, and the same way on y-axis also, for 1 centimeter is equal to, we taken 1 unit. This is scale, and compulsory you have to write scale also. Next, we are going to plot the points. See this first. The first what he given that points first 0 comma 4.2. 0 comma 4.2. Where we get this? This is x is 0. 4.2 is a y. We get on y-axis, positive y-axis. 4.2. 4 after first line and second line. We have to keep like this. This is 4.2. Is it clear, Nana? Children. Here 4.2 is finished. Next point is -2 comma 6. -2 on x-axis, 6 is on y-axis. Means we get -2 and plus 6. We get here. Is it clear, Nana? Okay. Next, then you join these 2 points by the help of scale. Okay. I join this and produced also. No problem. It's a straight line only. Okay. Is it clear for all? Right. Next ordered pair 0 comma -1.2. 1.2, x is 0 and y is -1.2. We get 1.2 on y-axis, -1 after second line. Okay, I am keeping it right. And next -2 comma -3. On x-axis -2, on y-axis -3. -2 to -3. Here is the point. Okay, I am joining these 2 points. Okay, join these 2 points and also produce it. Right, sir. When I produced, we get here the point. Is it clear, Nana? From these 3, we have to, here we got the point, come up to x-axis. Where it is, Nana? It is 3 on x-axis. In the same way, we have to join on y-axis, which is parallel to x-axis from this point. Okay, it is exactly, we get it 1.5 between 1 and 2, and this is exactly 3. So you have to write here in our what, plot the points in a graph sheet and join the points to get a straight line which intersect the first line at 3 comma 1.5. 3 comma 1.5. 1.5 nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, 3 comma 3 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 by 2. These are the solutions for this equation. This is the method to do the graphical. Is it clear now for all? Once see the graphical information, okay, then you have to check this graph now. Okay, is it clear?